Hey, what's going on, guys? Mike here. About to change out the brake light bulb on the Yamaha Bruin 350 4x4. Pretty simple and straightforward thing to do, but you know, might be someone out there that don't know how to do it. So, a little instructional DIY how-to video. Really, the only tool you need: 10mm ratchet wrench. Make sure it's a ratchet wrench. If not, you're gonna be here all day. Alright, now that we're down here on the ground, if you look right up under here, that's the pigtail assembly where the bulb actually twists into and it locks into the assembly. As you can tell right here, there are two 10mm nuts that need to come off, and there is quite a bit of thread on both of those. So, like I said, you definitely need a ratchet wrench. Alright, now that I got my ratchet wrench, take it, kind of thread it up in there. Might need to turn it to loosen. And then it's just backing that nut all the way off that bolt. Like I said, you want a ratchet wrench or you're going to be here all day. So I already got the two nuts and the washers off. Comes with two big washers and two 10mm nuts. And then you reach up and you grab the tail light. And it should slide right out of the threaded spots. And then you take the pigtail right there and you twist it out. Alright, guys. And right here is the pigtail. Let my camera focus on it. And then this is the new LED bulb that I'm going to be replacing the old factory style one with. Put a focus, there we go. Yep, new LED style bulb. And it just locks in. You see the two pins down here? That's how it locks into the pigtail right here. Alright, guys, and that's what she looks like once we've got her twisted in and locked into place. Now it's ready to be put back in the tail light, and the tail light screwed back into place. And if you look on the back side of the tail light assembly, if you notice there's one much bigger square, there's going to be one much bigger toggle right here on this side, so the bulb can only go in one way. Now I've got the new bulb installed. Only thing left to do is screw on the 10mm nuts and the washers, and then she's ready to roll. Alright, guys, when I first bought the four-wheeler, the tail light never worked on it. So let's see how she looks now with the new LED bulb in it. Oh boy, look at that right there. Look at that. We have a working tail light now. Whoop, whoop. Now let's see if any of my brake lights work. Oh, I got a brake light. What about up here? Oh, I got a brake light. What about down here? No brake light for the foot. Yep, no brake light for the foot, but with my front brakes, got a brake light. With my rear handbrake, got a brake light. Whoop whoop, get some.